I'm here with Simon Williams, who's now the chairman of CEDIA UK. And Simon, this is a real pleasure. We talked about CEDIA last year throughout Europe. This is the big zone, so maybe you're going to tell our readers a little bit that don't know about CEDIA, your zone, and then tell us what you're going to be doing throughout Europe in the next year.
Yes, indeed. Thanks, Bob. Well, as you can see, CEDIA Region 1, as we call it, covers quite a terrifying area of the globe. So our responsibility from our headquarters in Cambridge is for everything that you can see in red on this map. So clearly that's the whole of Europe, which is a key area for us, Bob. Scandinavia, Russia, Africa, India. Now these are clearly emerging markets, particularly India and South Africa. So we're focusing very, very, very strongly on key parts of the globe, and we're engaging people on the ground, manufacturers and designers, installers like myself, really to drive the market in these areas. For us it's a challenge. Clearly we've been used to dealing with the 50 million people who live here, and now we have somewhere in the region of 2 or 3 billion that we have to address, but a challenge is always exciting, and we see it as really CEDIA stamping its level of quality and its level of education to all of these emerging markets.
Well, the membership has been growing. I mean, we've had a good success over the last year. Membership,
we have, absolutely. Yeah, no, our last year has been fantastic. We're now up to over 420 members within this area. But really, that is the tip of the iceberg. The majority of those people are within the UK and in these areas of Europe. We see South Africa as a particularly important area. Clearly, India, with its emerging technology market and the number of people, that's something that we're addressing. We expect to see a lot of growth in those areas.
Well, we're looking there too. It's very, very interesting and growing market. The next big training, you've been running training sessions. We talked to Steve about here. The next big training sections are going to be at the CEDIA UK in June. That's the big show. Maybe you can tell our readers a little bit what to expect. Last year was a huge success.
Thank you, Bob. Yeah, we had a good chat at the last show. We have our show in June of this year, the 25th to the 28th of June. We'll have our expo again at Excel, which you'll recall, Bob. It's a
very nice,
fantastic venue. Yeah. We took best part of 5,000 metres last year. It'll be 7,000 metres this year, so significant growth. And we're expecting somewhere in the region of 6,500, maybe 7,000 delegates. So big show. An awful lot of training. Something like 60 to 70% of those delegates actually attend training. So extremely important for us.
Well, that's what makes the difference between the CEDIA show and the other trade fairs around. It's the training sessions. They were absolutely fabulous last year.
No, key to us is education. Absolutely.
That's the key. Simon, thank you very much for this presentation. See you in the next couple of months.
Thanks again. Good to see you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.